yeah. This is crazy. This is crazy.
I wonder what kind of other cars are in there.
He didn't bring that shit out no damn two-wheel dolly. Nah. What the hell he did? Not right. Unless I back into here. How you doing?
Oh, how you doing, man?
I mean, I could just back right there.
It's up to you. I mean,
Hey, you know what? Let me do that. I'll just right there.
If it's easier for you to back up,
It's about a 5.
all right, guys. Thank you for tuning in again. As you can see, I'm happy. I'm back in New Jersey at Tristate Motorsports. Yeah, it's been already 24 hours. The car made it at its destination. I'm just happy, bro. I'm just like, it's about time, you know? Now I can drive. This intro is basically just giving you updates. Why is in Tristate Motorsports? Is because my guy's gonna fix some stuff. One is gonna be like one of those brake lines. When you press the brake, it doesn't have that pressure. And installing some minor stuff for the car. I'll show you guys. And also, I'm gonna show you the rarest part in the car. I got very lucky to get that in Florida. But stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Oh man.
Get that Civic out now.
Just waiting for the guy to be ready to drop off my car. You're gonna see this. Just here at Tri-State, chilling, killing. Got carbon over here, carbon fiber over there, carbon over here, new tires, you know, skunk tubes, carbon over there, you know, and then I got James over here. He's sleeping. This guy's crazy.
You guys thought I was sleeping.
Yo, you want the shirt? It's right there. You know, they got it in stock. It's a cool design. Tri-State all the way. Danny over there. What's up, guys? Welcome back, and today's video just showing you the updates, what's going on with this hatch, with this project Adriana. As you can see, we got carbon fiber. A little dusty though, because it's been here for a while. Why I've taped it like that? Because I'm gonna go to the highway and I really do not want no pebbles or hit it on the carbon. But I'm not finished yet, so don't. Wow. You messed up my vlog. You messed up my vlog. Here at Tristate Motorsports, I had to thank these guys for their hard work and messing around with the car. I had so much issues with it, and one of them is the tranny. The tranny is messed up. 4th and 5th gear didn't want to go in, and that's why my car went to the shop. And also the fuel tank. They fixed my fuel tank. Well, not fix it, but they donated fuel tank for me. Yeah, I mean, there's a couple of things that have been happening behind the scenes, and that's why I haven't vlogged often, because I was so upset, you know, upset, sad, all the emotions put together. And thankfully Tristate Motorsports, always the plug. Good thing the car is running again, you know, it's here, it's running. And I took a little test drive up and down to this avenue or street, whatever. I'm excited. I'm really excited. I'm just like clueless right now, like what to do with this car again. Like there's so many things to do. Of course, you can see, needs body work, needs a new paint job, needs new wheel, suspension, etc, etc, etc. I want to show you guys the rarest part of this car, which is the EG6 SIR rear conversion. There's the panels right here. I can't. Is it open? No, it's locked. All right, you see this? Yeah, this is what I'm going through right now. I was lucky to get this part, and dude, once I say I found this panels, I mean this conversion for dirt cheap, I did, bro. I did, guys. I did. In the market, and also one of those warehouses, they sell motors and trannies and stuff. They be selling these conversion for up to $3,000 and up. I was saying, I'm not gonna do that to myself, you know, this is so much money. And once I landed to Florida, the guy just popped up out of nowhere with this conversion kit, and yeah, I mean, pretty penny, $1,200. Not bad, not bad. It comes with the seats, of course. Comes with the whole kit of the trunk. I haven't put this yet because they was working on the fuel pump, so I had to take that home. I'm very, very happy. I can't put this panels yet because, as you can see, that little holder there, or bracket, whatever you want to call that, I had to chop that off, and that's Unaa Fab gonna work that out for me. He doesn't know yet until he sees it. So yeah, I got a bunch of stuff here, man. It's a lot of stuff. I got the EG6 mirrors, so that needs to be connected. It's filthy, dirty. I got myself another Momo steering wheel. Yeah, I'm over here, like, they already know me as I love buying steering wheels. If you guys are looking for wheels, we got some Rarest official, some carbon fiber hood, tires if you need. You know, everything's in stock at Tristate Motorsports. What we got here? This guy Gio is the best. Yeah, guys, I'm over here at Tristate. If you need anything, they got everything here. And also, Black Friday is around the corner, so
big deals.
Big deals
that day. Well, that whole week probably do like a whole week.
A whole week? Yeah. Wow. And today is November 1st, so yeah. What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. And I'm here. I don't want to get hit because I'm in Hunts Point right now. There's Kenneth right there, my cousin. Yes, we are here visiting Unaa Fab, Ben and Joel Welds. The reason why I'm here is just to get this car situated and get some stuff fixed. I have this EG hatch, has so many rusts. I'm gonna show you guys what we're dealing with, and I already asked Ben, you know, to help me out I want to get this car restored. This car really needs help. So that's why I'm here, the new place. There you go, Ken. He's thinking, what's my life is?
Yeah, you need to touch it too for that. It's not coming off. Sorry. Sorry, bro.
Come on, man.
I got these.
Oh, I thought you did.
It's on a circuit, so if you like unplug the dimmer switch or like another peripheral, it won't complete the circuit and then the signals won't work. So,
I think that's why.
yeah.
You're right. You see? This is why I come over here. Ben always helps me. I don't know nothing about Hondas, but he helps me. See?
Honda for life.
So what's up, Ben? Talk to me. What's new? I see you have a new shop.
Yeah, I just gotta change the sign, but we're here, been working on a lot of different cars, everything under the sun, I guess. New 80, we're doing IS 300, excuse me, with a 2JZ.
Wow.
Swap. Here, you guys come.
Oh, now. Oh, I'm gonna see this.
We're still under construction, but we want to be here for about 3 months. But this is the IS 300. We're gonna do like all titanium, all the fancy, you know, stuff that we usually do. And this thing's gonna be really nice. So this is one of the projects. This guy's a cop. Watch out.
Oh man.
And that guy over there. Everyone's into cars, man.
Everyone, I
So,
can see that.
You know,
I can see that.
car life right here. But yeah, you know, we got this all motor race car right here.
Oh, Stitch.
Yeah, he's just
Wow.
he's holding it down, man.
Yeah, he's holding
Make
it
sure
down.
nothing
Makes-
gets in the
right?
exhaust.
That's nice.
So ITBs, you know.
Full race car.
Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. This is a project right here.
So you be busy.
Yeah, a little busy, you know, a little busy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're a little busy,
All right.
which is good. I mean, you know, we got Lamborghini engine that we're gonna do a table with because the rod it left at exit 72. So
Wow. Let me see this. Let me go do a closer look here.
has a nice little hole right there.
Oh, I want to see this. Oh, whoa. What is
He left the
that?
party.
What
Come back!
happened?
Don't leave the party.
Right?
He got tired.
He got tired.
He got
man.
tired.
Wow.
He's a party
What's
pooper.
up, man? What's your name?
Brandon.
Brandon? Well, nice to meet you, Brandon. All right.
That's right. Kid works on Lamborghinis.
Oh, I see the shirt there, you know,
All the
Lamborghini.
vibes.
So what's up, Joel? Talk to me. What's new? Okay. I'm liking the shop, man. It's more like private.
Yeah, it's more private. We still gotta finish with the lights, painting, dusting. You know, it's a lot of work. Being open and renovating. So
Looks nice. Looks nice.
Thank
All
you.
right. Yeah.
slow
All right.
progress is good progress, right?
Well, of course.
That's how we evolve.
That's how we. There you go. There you go. Oh man. All right. Cool. So yeah. So the project that I have, which is the EG, as you can see, that's why I came over here. Hopefully Ben and Joel could help me out restore this car.
Definitely, man. We don't want that that dead Autobot to hit the junkyard. You feel me?
No. We're trying to survive this one.
Yeah, we'll bring him back to life.
Yeah, man.
We'll feed him a whole bunch of Energon cubes.
Right. Hopefully I go okay soon to next year. Hopefully. Yeah, man. I just want to use that little single jingle, just yeah. There you go. maybe I could bring it over here. Maybe
K's the
get
way, man.
K. Bring the K up.
That's it. Hey.
Yeah, even my cousin, he's like, look at him right now. He's like, damn, I don't know.
I gotta get one of these, man.
I want to get one of these.
He's like, what is this, a Gala 20 or a Gala 24?
Got it 24. Oh, guys. All right, then. I'm going to lock this one out. And thank you for checking my car. Guys, if you really need any fabrication on your car, on your vehicle, what can you do?
You
Fabricate
can
it.
hit us up on TikTok, Unaa Fabrication,
Oh, TikTok.
or Instagram, Unaa Fabrication, and let us know what you need, and we got you covered.
All right. So there you go, guys. You have it, and thank you again one more time. Thanks for listening to me, for rescuing me with this type of car, and keep evolving. Keep evolving, guys. Keep evolving. I like this. This is the next evolution
That's right.
of Unaa Fab. See? Thanks.